When we are selecting people to sit on a committee or to form a committee, the order in which we choose the people isn't important. They each sit in the committee, they each have the same role, the same job, the same title. So the order in which we pick them makes no difference at all. The order, in fact, is not important at all. So this is going to be a combination rather than a permutation. If the order were important, let's say we wanted someone to be the secretary, and somebody to be the treasurer, and somebody to be the chairperson, then the order is obviously very important. We have different roles. When there are different roles, we're talking about permutations. However, in this case, we're only picking 3 people out of 45, and the order in which we pick the people doesn't matter. So this is a combination. So we want to select 3 people from 45. Now, by far the easiest way to do this is to write this as a combination 45C3, and to do that on your calculator. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So we're going to get your calculator. We're going to hit 45. We enter in the calculator the way it is on the screen at the minute, 45. Then to get the C, the combination key, we hit Math and scroll across the top to Probability again. Gone too far. And number 3 gives you NCR. Number 3 is what we want for combinations. And then 45C3. Okay, and just press Enter. And we see that there are 14,190. That's 14,190 different sets of 3 people out of the 45 that we could get to sit on that committee. Okay, so an awful lot of choice. Okay, and that's as easy as it is. You can do it another way. You can do it by doing 45 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 45 minus 3 factorial, or 45 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 42 factorial. Okay, so let's do it that way and see if this works. I'm not entirely sure this will work. The number might be too big. So we're going to clear what we have there and do 45. Now factorial, remember, is under Math and Probability. Number 4, Enter. Okay, so it works, but it's a huge number. That's 1 by 10 to the power of 56, which is absolutely massive. Now if we divide that by 3 factorial, and I'm sorry for the background lesson going on in Spanish, and then we're going to divide this again by 42. Okay, so divide that by 42 factorial, and we end up with 14,190. Okay, so the same answer. We'd have trouble if it was a different answer. But that's how to do it. Certainly I would think the first way is much easier. Okay, for combinations. Okay, thank you.